So this is the SeaRay 2005 185 Sport. It's the bow rider style boat. 18.5 feet long. Comes with the trailer. The boat's got the 4.3 220 horsepower EFI Mercruiser. So this is the fuel injected version. This is a nice clean boat. It's only got 370 hours on it. Interior is nice and clean. Pretty much no cosmetic damage. Some minor cosmetic stuff on the exterior, but the interior is quite clean. So we'll go ahead and hop up in the boat. So here's the rear lounge platform. It's the passenger seat, rear bench seat. Here's the cockpit seat. And your gauges here. Overall, pretty nice, clean boat. Excellent value for the price point. It's here in Lake Fenton, Michigan, at Lake Fenton Marina. Let us know if you're interested.